Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy domain on Cloudflare. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Cloudflare account and then go ahead and look for buy domains. So just go ahead and search for it or something like registrar or something like registrar, domain registration or something like that. So go ahead and wait for it to load. And what you will do is basically search for a domain name. So it could be literally anything. So just go ahead and search for it. And like once again, wait for it to load. And now you have this list of domains. So you will just have to click confirm so that you will be able to add it to cart, and then you will just have to continue with the checkout, and you will of course provide your billing information and ensure that the auto renewal option is set if you want if you want Cloudflare to manage renewals. And finally, complete the purchase and your domain will appear under registrar and then under domains, and it will be ready for DNS and Cloudflare services. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.